When I make pasta like this, everyone asks me for the recipe because it's easy. Start by placing the spiral noodles in hot water. Add a little salt, mix and let it cook. And the personal point is al dente, don't overcook it, okay? 5 minutes is enough. Now add a generous drizzle of olive oil to a pan. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves and let them brown. Once they're golden, add a chopped onion and saute for 2 minutes. And let it saute for 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato extract. It has to be very concentrated. Mix and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano. And remember that the seasoning is to taste. You can add as much seasoning as you like. At this point, we can add 100 milliliters of milk. Mix and let it blend into the sauce. And it's very quick, 2 minutes at the most. Now I'm going to add 100 milliliters of water because I want it to be a very juicy sauce. Mix again and then add a carton of heavy cream. And grated mozzarella cheese. I'm using 100 grams here, but you can use as much as you like. Add a tablespoon of butter and then add the pasta. What a treat, my loves! This pasta is perfect. It's mouth-watering. And I want to send a very special kiss to Margarete de Lima, who lives in Boa Esperanza, Minas Gerais, and is always here watching us. Thank you so much for your love, Margarete. And also a super special kiss to Angela Maria de Freitas from Mossoró in Rio Grande do Norte, who also loves our recipes. Thank you so much for your love, Angela. And it only takes 3 minutes for it to come to the boil. I'll finish here with a little grated mozzarella on top and some chopped parsley. And look at this perfection, people. I hope you enjoyed our simple and easy recipe today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.